Okay, this video is going to show you how to change the volume for all sound effects that are playing. That's normal sound effects, not ones that are using Doppler or pitch or volume auto changes. They're a bit more complicated. Okay, now there's two ways of doing this: the hard way and the easy way. The easy way requires you to upgrade to engine 7.06. Okay, so that's what I'm using for this. So here I've got, it's on my options screen, I'm playing a sound effect, which is a piece of music I've loaded that I've called Chase. You can see that I've got these over on the right side, 3 pieces of music that are downloaded from a nice site that's got royalty free music. You'll see the link on the description for the video. Okay, so this is what the music sounds like, and you'll probably pick this up. So I'm going to go on to the, increase my volume a little bit. Okay, I've got a volume slider here, but it didn't do anything. So I'm going to show you how to change the volume, and then I'm going to show you how to use the slider to pick up that volume change. Right, so it's quite loud, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say to the audio manager, master volume equals 0.3, so 30%. So I'm not changing the volume on the computer here, so when I play it this time you should hear it quieter, a little bit quieter. Okay, so let's see how to, well, we'll take that away from there. Let's go to the input code for this, and here's my slider code. So I'm assuming you've got a slider for this to work. If you don't have a slider and you just want to set the volume, just do it like that. Just set the master volume. All sound effects that are either playing or will be played later will take up that volume. Okay, so it's a dynamic change. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set this using my slider input. Okay, so these are my key checks that do my slider controls. There is a video that shows you how to set those up. So I need to set the master volume. So I'm going to say audio manager dot master volume equals. Now when I set up these sliders, they had a value between 0 and 100. At 100 I want to be full volume. Now in the master volume case, 1 is full volume, 0 is no volume. So I'm going to take the option that's selected from the volume menu. So I'm just going to say selected, and that'll be a number in the range 0 to 100, and I'm just going to divide it by 100F. Okay, I have to put the F, otherwise what it'll do is it'll work out the remainder. It'll work out how many times 100 the whole number goes into 50 or 60, which will be 0. Okay, so I have to put the F when I'm doing that division. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into the right key, so the increase slider and the decrease slider. So let's see if we can see the difference dynamically of that. This isn't a very long video, that's about it really. I just want to show you the effect now. So there you go, dynamically changing it. So that's very quiet, which you're probably not even picking up. So that's full volume, volume down, 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 off. And that's it.